In this new tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily set up this method that I'm going to reveal, and you're going to earn a lot of money. And guys, this is a worldwide strategy, which means that you don't have to worry where you're living right now because it's going to function by anywhere. Now, also, you don't need anything special. You just need to grab your laptop and listen carefully to everything that I'm going to explain, and it's going to make you earn money like a real pro. And I'm telling to you, and I'm guaranteed that 100% you're going to be very successful with this method, and you're going to earn money without getting tired at all. Now guys, before I jump into those details and explain to you everything that you need to know, first, I would like to ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, but also turn on the notification bell, so in this way, you will never lose any new update from me. So after deciding for everything else, now guys, you are ready to learn this new method. So first, the first step, of course, will be going over to Google. As I told you, everything that we are going to watch and everything that we are going to present on this method, it's completely worldwide available and also 100% free, which means that no investment will be required from you. So the first page that we need to go, because we have different pages and different websites and might sound a little bit confusing at first, but if you have any difficulty, please ask me on the comment section down below, or you can repeat this video one more time. So let's go over to the first page, which is CpaGrip. So basically guys, we need first of all an offer, and you can find those offers in every affiliate program. You don't need to use CpaGrip, but I have decided for CpaGrip because I love the offers. Their offers are cost per action, which means that every action that a person is going to take with a link, you're going to get paid, so you don't have to get tired to sell any product, which is much difficult and requires more time for you too. So not to get tired, what you have to do is just, of course, share a link and let the people click on that link, and you're going to get paid. So first, create an account on CpaGrip by clicking on register over here, and they will require you your first name, last name, your street address too, also your country, and you can check out that this is worldwide available as I promised to you. You're going to put the city, the state, the region, zip, postal code, phone number, the Skype, the publisher type that you can choose whatever you want to, email address, password, confirm the password, choose a time zone, and then you just have to agree and understand the terms and services. Now click on that register now button, and you are going to be directed to this page, which is the home page. Now here you have the dashboard, and you can keep a track of everything that someone is earning, all the money that they're earning and how much they are earning, the username, and you can see that they are earning a lot of money. They are making $100 per day, guys, and you can reach out to make as much money as them with all of the things that I'm going to explain throughout this video. So let's go over to the statistics, and here you're going to check out that you can keep a track of all of the views that you're going to get, the clicks, the leads, the revenue, the APC. So in order to access all of the offers, you have to go to the offers tool and click my offers, and you're going to be directed to this section over here. So guys, you have the categories, the rates, and you can search up offer for yourself, and you can make it available for desktop or mobile too, or only for desktop or only for mobile. Now we are going to choose an offer which we think is really good. Most of these are gift cards, which people would love to get a free gift card, and you can check out that the payment is really great too. Now imagine earning $2, but imagine getting $2 if 1,000 people are going to click. You're going to earn, let's say, $1,000, and you can reach out 1,000 people with the strategy that I'm going to show you, the traffic source that you are going to grab in the end of this video. So guys, in order to access the link of this, you just have to click on that and then copy the link. Now go over to this side, because we need to create a landing page. We don't need to share this link like this on social medias because we won't have any success with that. Go over to ManyChat, and here we are going to create automative interactive conversation on Instagram, Facebook, or SMS. You can choose whatever you want to from this. What you will have to do is just click on get started for free, and then you can continue with Instagram, Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, or Telegram too. Just choose one of these, and after you have decided, you are going to be directed to this page in which you are going to put some personal information of yours. What is your personal mobile number? What describes best your role? How many people work at your company? What describes better your experience with marketing campaigns? How did you hear about ManyChat and things like this? So this is how you're going to go over to creating the landing page. You need to go to the growth tool as soon as you open the page, and here you are going to see all of the settings: the page template, the button type, the colors, the button background, the button size, and you can change them as you want to. Now, the next step will be checking out a little bit how this will look in the landing page. Now, guys, you also have the text that you are going to send automative to people, and you can change the text and make it as you wish. Now, here you have a button that you can edit, and here you are going to put the link of the offer. So just click on this, copy the link, and then you are going to get over here and you are going to click open the website, and you are going to paste the link. After you have finished up, this is how everything will look. This is how people are going to check it out. Now, as soon as they click send to Messenger, they are going to get this message from you, and they're going to grab the link. Now we need to share this landing page to other people where we are going to share it. In order for them to get this message on Messenger, we need to use automative emails. So we're going to use Hercules Plus because this is an amazing tool too. This will send to people thousands and daily emails, which means that you are going to send by email the landing page, and as soon as they open the email, they are going to open it on Messenger and they are going to get the message. This is 100% free, 100% safe, and it's going to give you great opportunities to earn money for yourself, guys. This is an amazing tool. What you have to do is create an account by putting your first name, last name, username, password, re-enter the password, the subscribe email, your main email, prove that you are now a robot, and create that account. As soon as you create that account, you just need to create an email which will make it as good as possible so people can click on the landing page, and as soon as they do that, they're going to be directed to the site that you have put the affiliate link, that they're going to click it. As soon as they click it, you're going to get paid. Now, despite Hercules, which is 100% free, you also have another method, but you have to pay money for that, and that is Instagram itself. So here you need to open Instagram, or you can open a new account if you want to, and you're going to contact different Instagram page which are related to business, of course, and you're going to ask them for exchange for money to make you a shout out on posts or stories too, whatever you wish for, and they're going to make that for you, and you are going to get a lot of clicks because you know how many visits a site might get on stories, and how many people are going to watch that story on Instagram. You know that Instagram has billions of users, so for sure you're going to get a lot of clicks. You can choose whatever you want to, Hercules or Instagram method. What is important is that you are going to earn a lot of money by sharing this offer. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If yes, then please show us some support by giving a like, and also don't forget to subscribe.